Ashley from Attitude Reviews, and today we're unboxing Misfits Market. So this is my first box for April, I think. If you're not familiar with this, this is a weekly or bi-weekly ugly produce subscription box. So when they say the word ugly, that can mean many things. Too much produce, something that's slightly damaged, something that's slightly close to going bad, or just, it just doesn't look normal. I mean, to be honest, I've never gotten anything that's inedible. Gotten a couple items that are kind of damaged, like bruised or whatever. Not a big deal. Everything is organic, non-GMO. All the packaging is recyclable, biodegradable, or compostable. I do have a coupon code that'll give you 25% off your next box and me 25% off my next box. You can check that out down below. I do pay for this subscription. This is not a review box. Yeah, I do customize my box, and you can too when you sign up. They do have a limited delivery area, which is something you have to kind of take into consideration when you are signing up for this subscription. I think they're not so much out west yet, and COVID has really kind of gummed up the works, as they say. But that's, you know, it is what it is. Anyway, I have had this since yesterday. They changed their like courier service. It's literally this guy that comes in a minivan and drops off my package. So, I mean, I thought that was interesting. You know, the more people that are delivering packages, like the more variety, the more interesting things I see. So this isn't a package that I received, but it's a package I saw a lady, I guess she was Amazon, because she had the gray and blue shirt on, and she literally had a box maybe a little bigger than this, but you know how Amazon, there's like, it's like packing and then there's one little tiny thing in it. It was like kind of looked like that kind of a box, right? And there's maybe some steps up, like 5. She throws the box onto the porch, throws, and then takes the picture, because you know they have to take the picture. Oh, I was like, oh, you should rethink that's not a good thing to do. Anyway, I'm not into getting people in trouble though either. So anyway, all right. You get these box inserts. This tells you about their marketplace. You can buy more things to add to your box. There's a recipe here. They are in collaboration with Bobby Flay. So this is the caramelized leeks with pistachio sage vinaigrette. That sounds really delicious, but that's a lot of ingredients. This is a little eat first, things that go bad. What? Oh, the kiwis last that long. I know cauliflower, oranges, beets last forever. Also, any squash, basically, except yellow and zucchini will last very long. Oh, what is this? UO Home. I don't even... Oh, Urban Outfitters. All right, interesting. Anyway, let's keep it moving here. So I have had this while, so it's probably all wet from these bags. These bio bags, if I could give you a little bit of a tip, do not try to put these down your drain. I tried that because it's what you're supposed to be able to do. Don't. It turns into like that stuff that's inside a diaper. Don't do it to yourself. All right, there's all my beautiful vegetables. So there are 2 pints of, what are these, cherry tomatoes or grape? They're grape tomatoes. I like them all sorts of ways. My kids love them for snacks, so it's just a great all-around item to have on hand. All right. I see cabbage. I do not like cooked cabbage. I do, however, love raw cabbage. Oh, snap. I wanted to take pictures of everything. So this is green cabbage. I will turn this into sauerkraut because I already have a head of cabbage, which I'll use in salads and things like that. Really quickly, I want to take a picture of these grape tomatoes for my blog. I will link down below to my full blog review. Once my website's fixed. Oh, this is so terrible, guys. I don't know what to do with myself. Half the time I'm like in like a sinking funk of depression, and then the other time I'm just like, oh, I'm just gonna sit here and watch more TV. All right, so then we have some gala apples I selected. So there's 1. There may be, I'm guessing, 6 in here. So 2, 3. So there's 3. No, that's a pear. So I don't remember what kind of pear this is, but it's pretty. Everybody in my house likes pears. So those are always a hit. So I see at least 4, 3, 4, and there's a 5th. 5. These will probably be gone tonight. 6. Holy guacamole. Do you see all this cabbage? So here's more cabbage. Wow. And then they went cray with a cabbage. All right, so there's that. Interesting. All right, where to go next? So we've got oranges. I got a lot of fruit. I don't remember selecting all this. So there's 1. Sorry, taking my pictures. And 2. All right. This looks like collards. Did I pick collards? Desert vegetable? What the hell is a desert vegetable? Green chard. All right, so chard is different than a collard in that it's way quicker. It's less tough, I guess is the word. Collards take a long time to cook, and chard does not. It does, however, grow late in the season, which is really great. If you're starting a garden, that's something to keep in mind. 3, 4 oranges. Ginger. I started putting ginger into my kombucha. It really, if you're not into the flavor of kombucha, things like ginger, grapefruit, those really cover up the flavor of it. I just love ginger. I think it, honestly, it just does something to my soul. It sounds kind of cheesy, but I'm putting it out there because that's how it makes me feel. Here we have a gigantic spaghetti squash. If you are uncomfortable with squash, like you've never really cooked it, this is the perfect subscription for you because you do get squash, but it's not a lot. And the thing about squash is it lasts so long. You have time to think about it, come up with a recipe that you like, or look for a recipe that you like. And it really is simple to create dishes with it. All right, so here are some limes. I think I see 6 in the box. So 1, 2, 3, 4. These are small, but that's okay. 5, 6. One of my very favorite types of chicken is lime ginger. So you just, ginger. So now we have ginger and lime. So you take the ginger lime, you take some of the rind, the juice, and a ton of garlic as well. And then you put that in with the chicken, and you let it marinate for a long, while. And it almost cooks the chicken. It gets so tender, so delicious. Great for the grill. All right, here is a grapefruit. How many apples did I say we had? I don't remember. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. So now we have 4 and 5, and I believe I see 1, 6. Oh, I didn't tell you guys about the size of the box. That's something important. So this is their larger madness box. Great if you have a bunch of kids running around that eat a lot of food. They do have a smaller box. This one is 35. The smaller one is 18. This is their large one. Something I like about this is that in the larger box, they give you doubles of things. Like, it isn't just one, except for that chard, unless this is chard over here. No, it's not, but we'll get there. So if you want something for a dinner portion, you'll have enough, which I really like. All right, here's a mango. It looks like it could have, I don't know, it's seen better days. You know what I'm saying? So there's 3 mangoes. They're small mangoes. They're Crespo mangoes. This one is like really close. Yeah. All right. Anyway, 2nd grapefruit and 4th mango. There's that. All right, we're gonna move on over here to our greens. So this is, where the hell is this? Collards? I think it's collards. Is that collards?
Yeah, it looks like it.
All right, cool. Collards. All right, so these take a long time to cook, but they're super delicious, and I've told you guys a million times how we make them. There's another thing of chard and another thing of collards. Like I said, doubles of everything. And then on the bottom here, we have 2 more oranges, 2 more limes, making that 8 limes total. And, oops, sorry guys, kiwis. So there are 6 kiwis in there total. So for your $35 spend, you get your kiwis, your, what's that again? Collards, chard, collards, oranges, limes, apples, grapefruits, oranges, cabbages, spaghetti squash, tomatoes. I think maybe they're hooking me up because I get a lot of views on these videos. Ginger, little mangoes, anything else? I don't remember. Anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you want to check them out, I will put that discount code down below. As always,